I do have Lena Sun. She's a health reporter with the Washington Post. To break this down, a case of the monkeypox has been confirmed in a Texas resident who's flown to Atlanta from Nigeria on July 8th with the final destination of Dallas Love Field Airport on July 9th. This was all confirmed by the CDC today, and it's really trending on social media right now. Lena, I wonder if you can explain to everybody what monkeypox is.
So monkeypox is a rare but potentially serious viral illness that typically begins with flu-like symptoms and swelling of the lymph nodes. And it is characterized by a widespread rash on the face and the body. Most infections last 2 to 4 weeks, and monkeypox is in the same family of viruses as smallpox, but it causes a milder infection. Monkeypox has mostly been seen in parts of West Africa, including Nigeria, and that is where this traveler had flown from before going home to Dallas.
You've done extensive research on monkeypox. Is this something that Americans should be worried about at this time?
So monkeypox is something that can cause serious illness, but it is spread through respiratory droplets. So you have to be, close in and, close contact for which are larger droplets. And it's not spreading in the United States. It is, your chances of getting monkeypox are way lower than your chances of getting COVID-19. But this is a dangerous disease, and it's been studied. A couple years ago, I went with the CDC to a village that we could only reach via boat to look for the animals that harbor this virus, to try to figure out, what animals are the reservoir, because there have been cases elsewhere. Back in 2003, 47 Americans were infected with imported prairie dogs.
So prairie dogs are the primary source of human monkeypox, is what you're saying?
No. I mean, it's possible that the prairie dogs, these were pet prairie dogs that were imported United States in 2003, and they were spread to the prairie dogs from African rodents. So we don't know what is the origin species where the monkeypox is harbored, and then if an infected animal then infects another animal, and that's how the prairie dogs were infected. So it is, and people can get monkeypox if they are bitten or scratched by an animal, but human to human transmission usually occurs through, large respiratory droplets, which don't usually travel more than a few feet. So in this case, everybody on the 2 flights involved were wearing masks, which was a benefit and probably helped to reduce the spread of this disease, potential spread of this disease.
Got it. We're taking a live look at Dallas right now. In comparison to COVID-19, how deadly is human monkeypox? How would you compare the two?
1 in 100 people will die from monkeypox, and the mortality rate could be even higher if you are immune suppressed. But like I said, there's not a lot of this is not like the flu or some other respiratory virus that's floating around. Whereas in the United States now, we've had over 600,000 deaths from COVID, and the cases are going up astronomically in parts of the country where people are not vaccinated.
And what about transmissibility? Is it just as easily transmissible as COVID-19?
No, it's not. This is large respiratory droplets. COVID-19 can be spread through respiratory droplets and also through airborne transmission. And there's different sized droplets, but some of them can be suspended in the air. But measles is super contagious. So neither monkeypox nor COVID are nearly as transmissible as measles.
All right, Lena Sun, a health reporter with the Washington Post. Anything else that you'll be watching with these cases of monkeypox coming into the United States?
I think that they're contact tracing the couple hundred people who are on the plane. But again, because masks were required, the risk of anybody else getting sick is really low. The risk to the general public is very low, the authorities said. So that is a huge benefit because people were wearing masks.
Right, definitely one positive there from wearing masks on the airplanes. Doesn't look like that's going to be going away anytime soon with Delta variant. Lena Sun again with the Washington Post. We appreciate you joining us here on Live Now from Fox. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.